Hi, this is Sambasam, Assistant Professor at Senus College of Technology. Hope everyone is safe, and we are looking for the another session to discuss about the case study about an applications of mechatronics engineering, especially by using the smart emerging smart materials. Right? So normally, emerging smart materials are used in the wide variety of applications, and they are commonly used in the natures where they are implement more number of things. As I said that. The emerging smart materials plays a vital roles in most of the emerging industries like aircraft industries, automobile industries, mechatronics based applications industries, and appliances industries, instrumentation industries, where the smart makers are important key like a PCB board designing and PCB short circuits, PCB short term circuits manufactured by the industries, and also in the car manufacturing industries, where production industries and stainless steel manufacturing industries. These are the various applications the smart materials are undergoing to do a specific task. So, and how it has been imported as a case study, right? And that is I'm going to be discussed in this video, right? So the materials are variably possess whose according to the changes to the environment and also operating conditions, it has to be made feasible. So these materials some might in intelligence such as it has a self-diagnose, it has a self-learning purpose, it can able to predict or notification something else, and standby ability and stimulus reactiveness, the ability to recognize or discriminate which is the thing is important and factor which can be obtained. And also when you say that the materials with variables such as are compositions and a variable function, systematic functions, self-adjustable functions related especially in biomaterials, these are the materials as a typical examples for intelligent materials because they have the behavior of property to do so certain tasks. So based on that they can able to do the certain specific task, how they can able to adjust by themselves according to the situation and the environmental conditions, and also based upon their requirements. The example for intelligent materials, especially in structural materials and electrical materials, are piezoelectric, shape memory alloys, thermochromic, photochromic, magnetorheological fluids. This is how the materials, mostly structural materials and also the electrical materials, which are related to the examples of intelligence materials, where they can able to predict themselves, and sometimes they have to diagnose by themselves, and they have to take the decisions approximately by how it has been discriminated from the other environment conditions or other hazardous materials which are implemented in the process. These are to be self-diagnosed by them. So that's how place a case study, right? So when you see that applications in aerospace, we always have to discuss about the damage reductions, vibration controls, shape control, and adaptive system. This is why, as I said, the aircraft plays a major roles in the case study. They have to understand what are the things have to be identified. These smart materials plays a vital role to identify those problems inside the aircraft design and as well as the materials where there are a lot of geometrical displacements or voice reduction, noise controlling, vibration dampings, impact detection, flutter suspension, engine monitoring and damping, and variable wing geometry, the positioning. These are the various factors wherein the aircraft industry plays the major problems in the current scenario. So in this regard, the aircraft engines were made to various purposes also. So these errors has to be identified by these smart materials because the aircraft engines normally getting the position and alertness. Sometimes it's getting difficult to get an aircraft systems, get a collide with two flights. So that means the loss of a lot of human lives and also the lot of material bases and loss of concentration. But when you say that the positioning system has to be identified the smart material which has a self-diagnosed control structure. So this self-diagnosed control structure has to be developed inside the aircraft system, which makes them to understand how it has been developed. So there is a lot of vibration controls as that to minimize their effects. And when they can be used in the defense sector for fire accuracy of weapons. So sometimes in the defense sector we can able to transfer the data from one place to another place by using the GPS system, like firing the bullet from India to some other places within global accuracy. So but the smart materials makes the important noise that how it has been developed, and the vibration noise reduction in submarines. These submarines also plays a vital role how the submarines has been take place and how the distance has been calculated, and the vibration between the two things has also been helped, and the adaptive wings for aircrafts and missiles because if we have to hit the accurate position, the aircraft design is also be important factor where it can able to attack the certain point within globalized system, which makes always the major impact for them to understand. Then this is how the various pictures shows how the combat role training, paradowning, flying across the obstacles, and the smart surveillance system, communication networks, mind determining minds, ammunitions. These are the different various factors that affecting the environment, and also the launching of missiles or the materials have to attack the certain places with an accuracy, point of contact and a point of accuracy and repeatability has to be occurred by basing using the smart system applications. That's how the case study has been developed, and sometimes it has to be generated that it is an important factor that they can able to make the self-diagnosis, and they have to make a detection by themselves with to the hazardous conditions and how they make an important. These are something about the case study about smart materials, and in the next class we will going to discuss about another case study in the especially in the terms of emerging smart materials, especially used in mechatronics engineering applications. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the another video. Up to that, bye bye.